Alright, 2016 Ford Edge, keyless entry code location. It's going to be down in the driver's kick panel. You're going to need a mirror and a 10 millimeter socket to retrieve it. Go down in the kick panel. Shit. And, get down in the corner, and you're looking for there's a fuse box right there, and the key code is actually behind it, and right there in the bottom left corner, see that stud? You're gonna need to take a 10 millimeter nut off of it. That's gonna let you pull the fuse box out and away like this. Alright, then you're gonna need a mirror. See the stud right there? You're gonna get your mirror. Get my mirror. Stick it in there. And you're looking for the sticker behind it. And right where the light is, it actually says key code. Right there. Key code. Right below that light. That's where your keyless entry code is located on your 2016 Ford Edge. If this video was informative, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for checking it out. See you later.